Si Justice Secretary Leila de Lima napakyas na sab sa pagkuha sa kumpirmasyon sa Commission on Appointments (CA) sa iyang posisyon isip hepe sa Department of Justice. Ato sa CA hearing kagahapon, gigisa ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada si de Lima labot sa pasangil nga nagdawat kini og 1 million pesos nga allowance gikan sa PAGCOR.
Of course not. I don't know where you got that, sir.
All right. Aside from this 60 to 70,000 that you take home a month as your job as the chairman of chairperson of the CHR, wala ka na ba ibang allowances na kinukuha?
Well, as a CHR, then that is supposed to be from the government.
Outside of the CHR,
Wala po.
isn't it true that Ms. Arroyo gave you an additional 1 million a month coming from PAGCOR as your allowance, additional allowance?
There was a confidential fund allotted to the CHR.
What did you put
But that is
inside?
not an additional allowance, sir.
How much was it?
Various amounts.
Ranging from
500,
a month?
not a month, sir. Sometimes it's about quarterly, but not monthly.
Quarterly? Quarterly, 500,000
As
quarterly?
confidential funds, intelligence funds.
No, I don't believe that. You're receiving a monthly allowance of 1 million. Sayang namatay na yun si Mrs. Ching Vargas din. Yung dating si Malacanang. She was the one who kept the records that you were receiving 1 million monthly allowance from PAGCOR as instructed by President Roy.
Sa susamang hearing, nipasangil usab si Sandra Cam kinsa presidente sa Whistleblowers Association nga dili angayan sa posisyon si de Lima tungod sa gihong illicit affair niini.
What did you say?
Of course, I will. I can guarantee fairness as I always do. I prefer.
Didn't you give him more preference because he was your former client?
Of course not, Your Honor. I never do that.
Okay.
Of course, I prefer that litigants never talk to me, or never communicate to me, whether through text or in person or through emissary. But the reality is, some litigants would try to talk to me. But I can say that I don't recall any litigant who would really insist on favoring him or her, because I will not have that. I cannot do that, and I cannot give such a favor.
Apan si de Lima wala mohatag og bilis sa maong akusasyon. Matud niini, it is too demeaning for me to publicly address those allegations. Sama kang de Lima, wala usab na kumpirmar ang appointment ni Environment Secretary Ramon Pahe sa hearing kagahapon.